I just love playing on Roblox. Man, this is so fun. But what's Roblox without some food? Okay, just gonna go. So, wait. The first! Nobody wrote up that there was April Fool's. Sonic told me today was April Fool's, but nobody wrote it down, which is kind of sad. But who cares? April Fool's shouldn't be there. How foolish! Well, it must be April Fool's prank because nobody put it up there. Guys, guess what? It's April Fool's. Oh, you don't like April Fool's. Whatever. Okay. Better go get my snack. Wait a second. If it's April Fool's, I need to go. Ah! Okay. Time to begin the day. Whatever. Better look for Tails, wherever he is. I have no idea where Tails is. Eat up! Dang, why is it so wet outside today? I hate it when it's wet. Ain't nothing to do but just sit inside. I hate sitting inside. I just want to go outside and run. Ow. Darn, that hurt. I need to go look for Tails. You know, I just thought of something. If there's anywhere Tails will be, it's the restroom. For some reason, Tails loves this room. So, if any place is here, just gotta find him. What the heck? Sonic! You're chili dogs! but chili... Tails, why did you put the chili dogs up there? Why did you... That's not even funny. That's my food. Why did you give it to, the toilet? That's Ronnie. He doesn't prefer you call him toilet. He's Ronnie. Well, whatever. Why did you give it to Ronnie? That's my food up there. Tails, Ronnie was hungry. He hasn't even... This door. He hasn't even eaten ever since we got here. And we've been gone on vacation. While hackers are running wild in the universe, we're on vacation. And he hasn't even eaten. Who cares? I do. You know what? Oh my. Sometimes you just make me so upset. I just want to. I don't even. So. Annoying. You know, I don't even care about that. Man, Sonic, are you upset? Yes, because you took my food and gave it to the toilet? For April Fool's, I take it? Oh, you know it's April Fool's? Awesome! That's great! It's not great. Well, if you're that upset... Oh, God. Here, you can oh, my God. You can have some of this drink. You can have some of this drink. Well, I am kind of thirsty, I guess. Do you like it? Is it good? Yeah, it's actually kind of good. Oh, great. That's probably because I put my toenail clippings in there. Tails! Why would you do that? April Fool's, Sonic! What in the... Stupid... So annoying. Tails. Oh my God, Tails, why? Just why would he do that? First, he takes my food, then he gives me stuff with his toenail clippings in it, which is just gross. You know what? I guess it is kind of April Fool's. You know, it is April Fool's. Maybe I ought to just play a prank on him. Yeah, show him how that feels. Show him how I don't like it. But what could I use? There's not a lot of stuff that he hates. Oh, I know. I know he hates peppermints. Let me see. Do we have any? Yeah, we do. Let's go. Okay. Alright, now I need to create like this scary background. I know Tails hates this room up here. So I'm going to, work up here. Yeah, he hates this room because of that giant monkey. Alright. Perfect. This is so dark. He's gonna be so scared. Alright. Gotta open it. Alright. Take him out. Okay. Now I need to work with these peppermints. There we go. I know I could have made that look a whole lot better, but hey, they're saying hi. That's scary enough. Peppermints saying hi in this super scary dark room. That sounds like 2 points to me. Now I just gotta get Tails to come up here. Tails! Oh, Tails! Where's Sonic at now? Hi, Sonic. Got here as soon as I could. What is it? Oh, it's nothing. Just look behind you. April Fool's Tails! Wait, where'd he go? Now I gotta go find him. Sonic! No! Where is Tails now? I literally heard him fall down the steps. He must have been so scared, bro. I gotta hide. I gotta hide. Oh my god, I gotta hide. Hey, Tails, I followed you all the way here. What are you doing? It's the peppermints, Sonic. They want to kill me. This is scary. They want to kill me. Tails, the peppermints ain't trying to kill. That was a joke. April Fool's, buddy. It was a joke. What? Yeah, you've been pranking me all day, so I'm like, hey, why not just prank him in return? I legit heard you fall down the steps. Are you that scared of peppermints? Well, they're just weird. They're peppers. Just out for world domination. They said hi to me. They really, 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 really want to skit. Peppermints! Oh, never mind. You've been okay. Bruh. Just gonna accept my fate. Whatever. And now I'm out of ideas. I don't even know where to go right now. Tails is just... Maybe it's me. You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna go now. What is life? Life is weird. Life is just... Bruh. I'm done with life.